Hello and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom Kitchen. Today we are making our taste buds rest and concentrating on blooming our skin. Yes, I'll be sharing this African black soap mixture for glowing skin. This is what my family and I use, and that's today's video. So in this bowl, I have my black soap, which is also known as Alata Samina. I'm going to break it up because as you can see, it's in one big chunk, okay? I'm using a knife to help me do that. On the markets, there's another type which is lighter in color. I'm guessing you can also use that. I don't know the difference here, but I'm guessing you can also use that one. That one is a bit whitish. So once my soup is broken into pieces, I have these different types of soaps I'm going to add. Feel free to use any ones. I love the lemony kind of flavors. And then I have to pick a medicated soap as well. And then Irish Spring just for the smell, okay. So I grated or I cut them up into small pieces and then added it to my Alata Samina or black soap. If you have any shower gel as well, you can add it in here and freestyle basically, okay. I'm also going in with some grated turmeric. This is fresh, okay, but you can use turmeric powder if you that's what you have. And then I'm adding some blended oats and honey. All these are very good for the skin. They exfoliate and moisturize your skin, okay. And then once that's in, I'm going to go in with some freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then I'll give this mixture a mix, okay, so everything is well combined. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi, and welcome to the Taste and Bloom Kitchen. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you again for coming back to watch my video. If you've watched the video till this end, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, that's a like. Leave a comment down below once you're done watching and share this amazing video with others as well. And let's keep our skins glowing together. Once my mixture is put together beautifully, I'm going to get out these containers I have had from previous purchases, okay? So one for me, one for the boys, and one for my husband. I'm going to empty my soap mixture into these containers, and that's what we'll be using. And as at the time I shot the video, till now, it's been about a month and maybe a week since we used it, and there's still some, so I guess it's economical. I hope you try this simple black soap or African black soap mixture or Alata Samina mixture so that your skin will also glow as well. To use your soap, just wet your sponge and for lack of a better word, swipe the surface with your sponge and then you're good to go. Thanks for watching and remember to keep blooming.